Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the next program, that is print as well as println statement. So what is the difference between print and println? We are going to see in this particular session. So already in the previous session I had showed one example of print and println. So today we are going to deeply discuss about that. So why this is important, you will know in the future. So always go step by step. Okay, so let me open the edit plus plus. I'll start my new Java program. So here you can see my yesterday's last video file it is. So now I have to open how to open it. Click on new, go to Java. So here you get a Java structure here. So I'll give P2 as my class name. Then I'll start with print statement. So can you see the print statement here? So I have given System.out.print hello world I have given. So let me save and show you the output. So I'll save p2.java. Always remember the class name as well as the file name should be same. So now I'm going to compile it. So how to compile it? So open the Java file. So here click on this icon or a bar, click on command, type command, click on enter, you'll get the command prompt. So how to run the Java file? Java C, that is Java compiler, Java C space p2.java. This command will check for the semantical errors or syntax errors. So there is no errors here. Now I have to give Java space p2. I'll get my output, that is hello world here. So the cursor is in same line, like it prints and the next prompt will come. Coming back to the program, I'll just show you all one more statement. So I'll copy this, I'll paste here, I'll remove hello here, and I'll remove hello here. Okay. So I have printed two statement with the help of two statement print statement. I'm printing hello in one statement and world in one more statement. Okay. So I'll save this file. Again, I'll go to my command prompt. I'll run my p2 program Java C space p2. I'll press enter key. I don't get any error. Now I'll run my p2 program. Can you see hello world is in one single line? So that is what print statement will print one after the other in the same line. So same program, if I write it for print ln, so I'll give ln here. Okay. Also I'll change it to ln here. I'll save the file. I'll come back to my command prompt. I'll run my Java program. I don't have any error. Then I will run my file. Can you see hello world is written in two different lines? Why? Because let me trace the program for y'all. First, it will come to the first system.println. Whatever it's there in the double quotes, that will be printed on the output screen. Then, since you have println, the cursor comes to the next line. Again, in the next line, I have a cout statement. So inside the cout statement, I have world here. So that will be printed in the next line. Again, my println statement is executed. That is why cursor moves to the next line. Can you see? My first println statement prints hello. Since it is println, it goes to the next line. Again, my System.out.println statement is executed. There inside the double quotes I have world here. So world is printed. Since it is println, the cursor goes to the next line. Okay. So whenever you want to print any statements in two different lines or next line, so you are going to use println. Whenever you want to use or whenever you want to print the statement in one single line, you can use print statement. I hope you understood this difference between print and println. So you might be feeling it's very simple program, nothing is there in this particular video. No, each and every single statement, detailed video I have done this. Why? Because many are there who don't understand each and every concept because they rush with the concepts. So I don't want to rush with a concept. Keep a hold for 5 to 10 minutes and learn each and every detailed about Java. I hope you understood this video. So the difference between print and println I have made clear. So if you have liked this video, please make sure you're going to like this video and share it with your friends. The first time visitors, please make sure you're going to subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you everyone.